on the right angle, and it's just completely calm out here. So the west side, right, the highest summit, it's 5,788 feet. Ukukui. That's 5 convergence valleys out here. On the back door, we have Laniapoko, Oloalo, and Ukumehame. On the front door, we have Yao and Waikapu. At the end of the flight, if you guys are able to repeat all the names I just told you right now, without misspelling any letter, you guys are up for a prize, right? I'm always biting my tongue trying to pronounce them, trust me. So, Laniapoko, Oloalo, and Ukumehame on the back door. And also they give names to the beach state parks out here. So you have Beach State Park of Oloalo, which is just up ahead. There's a shallow quarter reef, which he forms as we call the turtle town. You can spawn more turtles you can ever imagine out there. So we have 5 out of 7 species on Earth out here, and 3 are endemic species of Hawaii. The hawksbill, leatherback, and the green turtle. And it's just up ahead on the Oloalo Beach State Park. On the front door, we have the 2 valleys. Iao translates for supreme clouds. Name it after the presence of the clouds always hanging at the top of the valleys out here. And also, Iao Valley turned out to be stage 1 of the bloodiest battles that ever took place out here in the 1700s, late 1700s, when King Kamehameha out of the Big Island crossed the channel 36 miles across to the northwest, arrived in Kahului Harbor, and went into the valleys to face the Maui warriors, turning out to be one of the bloodiest battles. So that's the only one that's accessible by car. You can drive through airport, Wailuku. Should it take you about 25 minutes or so. You park your car there for about $5. You get to hike across the streams of water. It's just a beautiful lookout. You can look back and see the Kahului Harbor downtown as well. Just definitely a place to check it out. I think Yao Valley is the easiest one to remember, right? It's only 3 letters. Yao. Also, you can just picture yourself walking around barefoot in your kitchen, hitting the cabinets. Pretty much the sound you're gonna make, right? That's pretty much the name of the valley out there. Yao. On the back door, they're kind of confusing. Just leave that on out.
Jams and the way he treats his family, he's funny. I know he loves me. Although our life's been super complicated, just play this song when you need a little lift, 'cause baby, I'm finally making you this simple love song.
You see the catamarans approaching the reefs. They usually drop the people off. There's another one coming up. They usually leave from Molokini straight ahead, sitting between Kaho'olawe and the south shore of Maui on Wailea, right? So this is the only one that's uninhabited, right? So in a way in between, there's Molokini voted 10 top sites of diving in the world. Over 250 different species of tropical fish. So they'll go out there in the morning, and then they'll come out here, let people swim among the turtles. If you're lucky enough, you get to spot a shark as well. I heard sharks, they don't like human meat, right? They just like to bite and shake it off a little bit and let go. Very rare attacks out here though, but it happens. Maybe once a year. Out of 2.6, 2.8 million visitors, that's nothing. You're most susceptible to be hit by a coconut on your head than actually bit by a shark. There's 12 incidents reported of a coconut falling in someone's head. It's true. Guys, I'll be switching here, getting the weather, and I'll get back to you in just a second, alright?
For a while, but I never had the time. Now I'm here to say
couple bumps out here. It's pretty normal. This is the exiting side of the wind. As soon as we cross it over the windmills, it should stop, all right?
What's impossible they forgot. This world keeps spinning and with each new day I can feel it changing everything.
Guys, at this point I should be getting back with the tower. And I would like to extend my thank you for flying with us today in the name of Blue Hawaii. Mahalo nui loa, as we call it out here. Thank you very much. Nui means big, loa means long, right? Mahalo means thank you. So mahalo nui loa, guys. Maui no kaoi also. You can use those hashtags on the Instagram photos. Maui's the best. Thank you for flying with us. Aloha. Thank you. Thank you. Tried to beat those clouds out here. They just gave me a hard time, huh?
I can't do everything, but I can try. And as I roll along, I begin to find things aren't always just what they seem. I wanna turn the whole thing upside down. I'll find the things they say just can't be found. I'll share this love I find with everyone. We'll sing and dance to Mother Nature's song. This world keeps spinning and there's no time to wait. Well, it all keeps spinning, spinning round and round and upside down. Who's to say what's impossible and can't be found? I don't want this feeling to go away. Please don't go away. Is this how it's supposed to be? So she ran away in her sleep.